How to add a video to Shopify homepage. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a video to your homepage on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store, and this is our main admin. So from here, I'm gonna click on online store and click on this view option. It will open up my store for me. So this is my store right here, and then we have to click on edit home page. It will open up the edit option for us where we can edit our home page for our store. Now I want to add a video, so it's really easy to do. What we can do is you can see we have a panel given here. So if I just scroll down, we have the video option. So you're gonna click on the video option and it will open up all the settings for you. First of all, we have to add a heading for the video. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's say that I have a review video for my product. So I'm just gonna go with t-shirts. Let's say I will be adding a video related to that. So this is going to be the heading. Then we have to select this size. So I'm gonna go with small for now, and you can see like this is the small size, and then we can have like a large size or a medium size as well. Then we can select a cover image as well, and I can add a cover image of my product, and then we can add the video. So here we have the URL option. Now this is where I will be adding the URL of my video. So it can be any video and it can be any URL, not just YouTube. Keep in mind, so get the URL of your video of your product if you have created it, if you are getting it from YouTube, if you have it on your website. So you'll just copy the URL and then paste it right here from this option. Just paste it, and then we have video alt text, and then we have make selection. Wait, let me actually get the URL and add it right here. Okay, so I got a URL of a video and it's from our channel. I'm just gonna paste the URL right here, and Shopify will look for the video, whatever video it is, and add it right here. So you can see right here, this is the video. This is like a video from the channel, and you can see it has selected the video. It knows what video to add to the homepage, and then I can add an alt text just for the SEO. We have a background color that we can select, a scheme, and then we have section padding too. Once you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to just click on save, and the video will be added to your homepage on Shopify. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.